Hey guys, we are back at Good Road. So it's the dressing stage. We have a new tenant moving in on the 1st of April, so I think next week. Yeah, next week. As you can see, everything is being put out and put up. So these are all the various large mirrors. So that will go there, for example. That will go there. Mirrors are actually really good. A really good tool for dressing HMOs because they create a sense of space. People generally like looking at themselves or checking themselves out before they go out for a meal or before they leave the house or whatever. Reflects a lot of light if put in correct location, so you can strategically put up mirrors. For example, a mirror there, like a large mirror there, would look stunning because it will reflect the light. You can see yourself coming in. It will make the space look a lot bigger, and maybe one here as well. Loads of new chairs. Let me have a look. So what you got to be careful is that you want to get chairs that don't scratch the floor. These seem fine. That's a nice design table. So our landlord client has started buying all the bits and bobs, as you can see, and start putting them out. Just going out, just basically just keep an eye on things. American fridge freezer there, and I think there's one in there as well. Yeah, just making sure that things on schedule. Notice board is up. The light hits this property really well. I mean, there's a nice window there. It's just really important to have good natural light for our tenants, mostly for because it makes the place look nicer, but also it's just good for your mental health, especially if you live in HMOs. A lot of people tend to live in their rooms. That's a nice part back there. Loads of cats back there. Ken's done a really good job cutting all that back. So, bet you the neighbours must be happy. And that looks good, and it actually looks functional as well. I was worried there'll be too much soil, but it's fine. Okay, room 4. So this is sort of one of our smallest en-suites, but still a decent size. Just with this one, it's just the way the furniture managed to fit in. So there's a lot of usable space here, which is really important. What you don't want to do is cram everything like that. If that was over there, there won't be a lot of practical space. It will look nicer, but it won't be practical space for our tenants. And this is the studio. So there's 2 studios in this property. This is huge. Really nice window. So plenty of light coming in. There'll be blinds, there'll be curtains there. I've got that on table, dining table, fridge, freezer, cooking facilities, and obviously ensuite and everything as well. So this is going to be a great space. If you don't know me already, my name is Nguyen. I manage high quality HMOs and singlets in and around Birmingham. We're just going up to the final studio. So snagging needs to be done. I think we're just waiting for everything to be done so that we can go around and do the snagging. Otherwise it just duplicates work. Once that's done, then there'll be a mad rush to put everything up, take all the wrappings, get everything dressed, and so we can take final marketing pictures and videos before tenants start moving in. Because once they start moving in, it's going to be quite difficult to then. It'll be then quite difficult to take marketing pictures and videos and have them on record for marketing for when the tenant gives notice. And obviously, once the tenant moves in, the property becomes lived in, and it won't look its best after that. Even though the policy, and it's a great policy, is to always bring your units back to showroom condition before we can let new tenants move. Anyway, I hope that's been helpful. Really nice day today. Really good sun. All right, see you.